Hey, what's up? Okay, so now we're on lesson 5, which is really not as much of a lesson that's being taught to you as much as it is remembering or keeping track of all of the other words throughout the past few weeks that you've been working on these lessons up to this point. What you should have been doing, which I didn't realize until just now, but now we will know going forward, is keeping track of those words that you've misspelled. So if you're writing papers and you realized, oh wow, I misspelled that word, I would like to remember how to spell that word. You just make a note of it and you'd put it on a sheet of paper somewhere of like spelling words to remember. You need about 20. So this is the kind of like IEW card with blank spaces. They got 20 spaces here. Um, and So what I did is I duplicated that. I created my own thing that you guys can use, and I'll have that uploaded to Google Classroom so you can see it and print it off, and you can keep track of it yourself on that sheet. Um, so basically, at this point, you want to find those words, about 20 words that you know that you've misspelled either in your science curriculum or your world history or your writing curriculum, any place where you know that you commonly misspell a word. You want to write it down here, and then you want to go through it. You want either me or your mom to kind of quiz you phonetically to see if you can spell it phonetically. And then you're going to keep doing that until you actually feel confident in your ability to spell them. And then you'll take a spelling test just like you did the other lessons on a normal sheet, 15 words, maybe 20 words. We can do 20. It's fine. And then once you've got those mastered, we can move on to lesson 6. So the object, in summary, is to find 20 words that you commonly misspell on other things. You can find them. Write them down, and then practice them phonetically with us, and then you'll take a test. And once you get 100% on that test twice, then we can move on to lesson 6. And that's how it's gonna work. So you better get them, because that's what we're gonna do.